Hey there, Dr. Joe Arvay here, and I want to invite you to an amazing conference that I'm having for you. I call it Winning the Game Called School. Since 1983, I have figured out that life, school, is a game, and you've got to know the rules. You have to know what's expected of you. You have to be able to communicate with the person in charge, whether that's the teacher, whether that's the homeschool parent, whether that's your employer, and learning how to have dynamic relationships so that you can be a motivated learner, that you can take all the stress and frustration out of the learning process. I've been able to learn what kind of a learner am I? How do I learn best? And how can I literally live each day so that I wake up rested, recovered, and ready to succeed? Succeeding at the game of school, succeed at relationships, succeed at life. And so I want to do a conference on purpose to help you if you are a teacher, a homeschool teacher, a parent, trying to connect with your student and help them understand the point of why it's so important that they learn, that they gain experience, and learn how to lead and succeed in life. And so I've got some amazing things to talk about different hormones of the brain and how that works, how healing's electric, how the hormones come into play as far as behavior and learning and ability to focus, and then what behaviors are desired from a motivated learner so you get the best results. Have peace during the education process and really help the student understand the point to learning and how they can succeed in the game called school and succeed in life. So join me on July 24th from 10 to 12 here in Northglenn. Just click on the QR button below or the link below for tickets. Get them now because space is limited. But I want to help take the frustration and stress out of the learning process. I want to help give the student responsibility to let them know what the point is, what they're being asked of, and how they can succeed and win with their own terms. So join me again on Saturday, July 24th for the conference of the year called Winning the Game Called School. You'll have fun. And at the end, I have over $600 of resources that I'm going to give you just for attending so that you can wake up and your student can wake up every day rested, recovered, and ready to succeed. So God bless you. Click that link below. Get your tickets now before they sell out. And I'll see you on Saturday, July 24th at 10 a.m. sharp. God bless you. Bye-bye.